Well, I think proper dressing is very essential in order to create a very positive impact. I always say that the first impression is always the everlasting impression. So, in your first meeting, you should give very positive vibes, positive impression about yourself when you are, meeting the customer. So, power dressing is an essential first step towards successful selling. I feel the term power dressing, it starts from the feeling of being empowered that one gets in a formal interaction. So feeling of empowerment is basically you should feel that you are having an upper hand, or you are having a position of strength from which you are coming, so that you will be having that confidence translated into the body language, and that will result into into a positive deal or a positive interaction. So power dressing can depend on a lot of factors. For example, cultural aspects, or sometimes there could be some gender-based social norms, the role of the person that you are meeting, for example, or the circumstances in which you are meeting. So these are the things which will play in terms of deciding what kind of dressing you should have or what kind of attire you should wear. So to explain that, I would give some of the examples. Wearing, for example, half sleeve shirts or short skirts in certain conservative cultures, like Arabic countries, it may not go well with the customer, and that could make people very uncomfortable. So that's a strict no in such situations where you know that you are going to meet a conservative set of people. Wearing a suit in a humid, dusty factory environment, that is another wrong choice, I would say, because it doesn't make sense to wear a suit and walk into a dusty environment where you are going to dirty the suit very soon. Wearing casual dresses in a formal meeting, or wearing formal clothes in a casual socializing event like a party, uh, it will make you feel like an outsider. So again, you select your dressing up based upon the event or based upon the type of the meeting that you are going to attend. um, let's say, for example, you are getting under a car, to inspect the car, or you are putting your hands into a machine to inspect the machine. In case, let's say you are a customer support executive or something, or even as a salesperson, you want to understand the mechanisms, and for which you have to dirty your hands. Then wearing a suit or full sleeve shirt uh, may not be a good idea, so because you are required to roll up the sleeves and get down to the doing the business. So ideally, an apron covering your shirt will be the right choice in such circumstances. Wearing the right kind of shoes, whether you are working in a office environment or in a factory environment, based upon that you have to choose what you should be wearing in terms of footwear, or whether you are required to wear any helmet or something. So those are the things which will be situation dependent. In my opinion, it is always better to be slightly overdressed. I mean, basically the formal overdressing than the customer, because as I said earlier, it will give you a kind of psychological edge or an upper hand on him in the meeting, and which will truly empower you to take charge and steer the conversation in the way that you want. Of course, on this, views of different people could be different. I probably come from slightly older school of thoughts, so I believe in dressing up in terms of suit and all in all my formal meetings. Usually, the customers will not show any discomfort or not approving of a certain dress that a salesperson is wearing. It may not be direct disapproval, but it may be evident through the body language that it shows in terms of being uncomfortable, or being staring, or for example, or it could be staying away, or avoiding the eye to eye contact and things like that. So that body language is very important to understand whether the customer is comfortable with you in terms of your attire. There is there is always a thumb rule that basically you should try and wear full body covering attire as much as possible. It is applicable to both men and women. then you should not be perceived as indecent or flashy or unprofessional because of your attire. That's basically the idea. Conservative but stylish and smart dressing with formal colors and prints is basically generally acceptable in any type of meeting and will not evoke any kind of reaction or undue attention. So these are my views on that.